Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. In your previous class, I gave question answers and remaining bits also I gave in previous class, Amma. Second lesson over. Now let's start the third lesson. What is our third lesson, Amma? Festivals of India. Festivals of India. Tell me, children, which festival do you like the most? Tell me, children, which festival do you like the most? I like Diwali. We like Diwali, the festival of lights. Okay, children. Now, in second chapter, in second lesson, this is a remaining Amma. This is today your homework. This is post in our WhatsApp group myself. Okay. Today I am posting in this bed. This is doing your textbook and post it, children. This is your homework. Okay, Amma. Let's start our lesson, Amma. Okay. First, all of you open your textbook, children. Look at your textbook. Whatever I am reading, put your fingers, Amma. Festivals are special occasions. We celebrate many festivals throughout the year. It is great fun to celebrate festivals with friends, family and relatives. What is this? Festivals are occasions. One's of special occasions. For example, in this last week, we celebrated Batukama and Dasara. Yes, children, we celebrated that two festivals. That is the special occasions. Okay, festival is the special occasion. In next week, coming soon, what is that festival? Diwali. Children most like this Diwali because the festival is the lights. Festivals of lights. Okay. We are celebrating many festivals in the India. Like, tell me, children, some festival names. First, Diwali, Dasara, and Sankranti, okay, Holi, Ugadi. These are our festivals in our India. In different states, we are celebrating different types of festivals. A festival is an occasion of enjoyment and celebration. What is that? Festival is the special occasion and celebrating enjoy. We are celebrating enjoy. Yes, that is a special occasions. We are ready. Makeup is a special in festivals. We are makeuping very special. Okay, we are brought new clothes. Yes, we are wearing new dresses. Different styles of dresses we are wearing in the occasions, in the festivals. It brings gaiety and myth these by strengthening our bond of relationship and friendship. This is the bonding of the friendship and relationship. These festivals also promoted social interaction and harmony. What is this? These festivals and also promoted the social interaction. Yes, children. Now next one, Amma. Look at some festivals, Amma. What is that festivals? First, let's say Holi festival. Holi festival. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Yes. So many festivals are celebrated in our India. Some main festivals are there that are learned in this class. Okay. Holi is one of them. So Holi is also one of them. We are celebrating so many of festivals. Holi is one of them. Holi is an important festival of the Hindus. What is that? Holi is the important festivals of Hindus. Some Hindus celebrating some festivals, and Christians celebrating some festivals. Muslims celebrating some of festivals. Different castes and different types of festivals we are celebrating. So these are Holi is the important festivals of Hindus. It is a festival of colorful and fun. It is a festival of colorful and fun. A night before Holi, a big fire is burnt. Holi has a religious background. This is about this. Holi is the festival of colorful and fun. And this Holi is the important festival of Hindus. And next, let's see Dasara. In last week, we celebrated Dasara. All of you enjoyed, children? Yeah. Okay. Next, let's see Dasara. Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi. What is that? Dasara is also known as, it is called as Vijayadashmi. Okay. Now, it celebrates Lord Rama's victory over demanding Ravana. It marks the victory of good over evil. On this day, people worship their weapons and also burn the effigy of Ravana. Effigy of Ravana. People in West celebrated Durga Puja at this time. It is also celebrated in Bihar and other parts of India. What is that? Dasara is the victory of good over evil. This is in the west side some Durga Puja celebrating, and in Bihar also this festival celebrated. Next Diwali. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. What is that? Deepavali. Deepavali is also known as Diwali. It is festivals of lights, and this day people pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. What is that? This is Diwali is also known as Deepavali is also known as Diwali. It is the festival of lights. It is the festival of lights. We all have festivals of lights on this day, and here people pray to Goddess of Lakshmi and Ganesha. Okay. Now this is coming soon in next week. Okay, children, we are celebrating this Diwali. It is celebrated all over India. This is celebrated all over India. The houses are cleaned and decorated. People lit oil lamps, candle and diyas. What is it? The houses are cleaned and decorated. Okay. And people's it's oil lamps, small oil lamps. That is a indicator for Diwali, and candles also. No. On this day of Diwali, that Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. What is that? Why are celebrating Diwali? The Rama is returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. After 14 years of exile, the Rama is come back to Ayodhya. That's why celebrating this Diwali. That's people celebrating Diwali by burning crackers and by lighting their houses with earthen diyas. People go to the temple and pray to Goddess Lakshmi. What is that? People's burning crackers. Yes, children are burning crackers and by lighting their houses. Okay, and people pray to Goddess of Lakshmi. These are these about Diwali. Okay, children. In next class, we will learn about Eid festival. We will learn about Eid festival, Christmas, Guru Parva, Onam, Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi. This is I will explain in next class, Amma. In what is that? Festivals of India. What is our third lesson, Amma? Festivals of India. Holi. How to celebrate Holi and Dasara, Diwali. Okay. This is our lesson. And in remaining lesson, I will explain in next class, Amma. Okay, children. Thank you. See you.